Welcome to the Blue Water Bridge in Sarnia, Ontario. My name is Bob Jones, and I will be your host on this video. Like and subscribe to stay updated. I thank you in advance for the support. So what about Sarnia, Ontario and the Blue Water Bridge? Sarnia is a city in Lambton County, Ontario, Canada. It is located on the eastern bank of the St. Clair River in southwestern Ontario, which forms the Canada-United States border, directly across from Port Huron, Michigan. It is about a 3-hour drive from Toronto and 2 hours from Windsor, Ontario. Sarnia's population, as of 2022, was 75,268 and has a total landmass of 44,000 acres, making it the largest city on Lake Huron. Sarnia enjoys one of the warmest climates in Canada and is a four-season city. Now let's check out the Blue Water Bridge, a twin-span international bridge that crosses the St. Clair River, linking Port Huron, Michigan in the United States and Sarnia, Ontario in Canada. The bridge carries 6 lanes of traffic, 3 westbound and 3 lanes eastbound, connecting Highway 402 in Ontario and Interstate I-69 and I-94 in Michigan. It is one of the busiest Ontario international crossings and plays an essential role as an economic link between Canada and the United States. The original bridge, built in 1938, is a cantilever truss design and is now a 3-lane westbound bridge. The second, eastbound span of the Blue Water Bridge is a continuous tied arch design and was opened on July 22, 1997. The Blue Water Bridge is an important border crossing between the United States and Canada, and it is located 60 miles north of Detroit-Windsor Tunnel. The total length of the span is 6,178 feet. That's 1,883 meters. The westbound span is 38 feet, that's 12 meters wide, and 210 feet, that's 64 meters high. While the eastbound span is 51 feet, that's 16 meters wide, and 233 feet, 71 meters high. The original westbound span of the Blue Water Bridge was opened on October 10, 1938, while the eastbound span was opened on July 2, 1997. The original cost in 1938 was $4 million, compared to the new Gordie Howe Bridge currently under construction in Windsor, Ontario for about $5 billion. The Blue Water Bridge is a remarkable feat of engineering that has connected the two countries for over 80 years. The river walk north and south of the bridge is a unique location to watch freighter traffic, view the St. Clair River, and enjoy the scenery. The well-groomed grass alongside the smooth concrete walkway has park benches to relax on and provides a picturesque stroll while enjoying the scenery. Archie's Fries is a convenient place to get great French fries and Canada's famous poutine if that's what you're into. You won't be disappointed. If you visit, create a painted stone to leave with the multitude of decorated stones already populating the path along the river. Overall, Sarnia is a city with a rich history, a thriving industry, and great quality of life. The Blue Water Bridge is a cool and interesting site to visit. It offers a balance between the feel of a close-knit community and a community on the move. I hope you enjoyed this overview of Sarnia and the Blue Water Bridge. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more of these videos. Your help is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.